In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. This process is incredibly useful for those who want to seamlessly transfer data collected through Google Forms into a Google Sheet, making it easier to organize, analyze, and share the information. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in drive.google.com, or simply navigating to it from the Google Apps menu if you're already logged into your Google account. Once you're on the homepage of Google Drive, your next step will be to click on Apps. You'll find this option in the sidebar where you'll see a list of various Google services. Clicking on Apps will expand this section, revealing all the available applications, one of which of course is Google Forms. Next, let's move on to opening Google Forms. In the expanded menu that appears, click on Forms. This will redirect you to the Google Forms start page. From here you can access all your previously created forms or start fresh with a new one, but today we are focusing on an existing form, so go ahead and select a form that you want to connect to Google Sheets. You simply need to click on the form to open it, taking you to the form's editing and management view. With your chosen form now open, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a few tabs. Click on the Responses tab. This section handles all the submissions made via your form, and it's where the magic of connecting to Sheets takes place. Once you are in the Responses tab, look out for an icon resembling a small green spreadsheet. This is your Link to Sheets button. Click on it and you'll be given two options: create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one to merge the data into. After you've clicked Link to Sheets, a prompt will appear asking you to select one of the two options. If you're linking responses to a new spreadsheet, simply leave the default selection and click Create. On the other hand, if you want to append this data to an existing spreadsheet, clicking that option will provide you with a list of available spreadsheets. Choose the one you desire and proceed by clicking Select. Upon clicking Create, the system will automatically generate a new Google Sheet with all your form responses. And there you have it, you are now linked to your spreadsheet where all form responses will automatically be logged. This synergy between Google Forms and Google Sheets is powerful for data management, allowing for real-time updates and ensuring your information is always up to date. Have fun exploring all the potential this integration unlocks, and keep making the most of these innovative Google tools.